So I'll be explaining more in depth about how the bubble sort works. Above, the example of a code for bubble sort can be seen. So taking the list of numbers used as an example above, so bubble sort starts off by comparing 4 to the next number. As 4 is not more than 7, it moves on to the next number, which is 7. So 4 remains in position while 7 moves and is compared to the right, which is 1. As 7 is greater than 1, 7 is shifted to the right, so 1 will be placed here and 7 is moved. It's again compared to the number 5, and as 7 is again bigger than 5, it moves all the way until it reaches 8. As 7 is not larger than 8, 7 will remain there, where 8 is compared to the number on the right, which is 3. As 8 is larger than 3, 8 and 3 will swap places. So this is one iteration of the bubble sort. Following the next line, where the first number, where it starts from the first number again, 4 is compared to the number on the right, which is 1. As 4 is larger than 1, 1 swaps places with 4. As 4 is not larger than 5, 4 will remain in place, and 5 is the target again, and 5 is compared to the number on the right, which is 2. As 5 is larger than 2, 5 and 2 swap places, and 5 is compared against 7. As 5 is less than 7, 5 will remain in place. 7 is compared with 3, and as 7 is greater than 3, 7 swaps places with 3. And it remains like this. So in line 2, the largest element is moved to the rightmost end, and the process continues to find the second largest, which is 7, and place it. So this keeps happening until all of the data within the code is sorted. So 1 remains in place, 4 is compared to 2, and they are swapped. 4 remains in place, and 5 is swapped with 3, and 7 and 8 remains there. Another version of the sort, and all of the numbers have been sorted into place. So this is an explanation of bubble sort and how it works, where it takes the number on the left first and bubbles it as far as it can until it meets a larger that is larger than the number that is currently being bubbled. It moves on to the number on the right, which was larger than the original number that is being bubbled, and shifts it to the right, so on until the largest number reaches the end. Then second largest. As seen in the optimized bubble sort, it keeps on moving until there are no swaps that are taking place and the bubble sort ends, leaving the number list fully sorted.